Greetings and welcome to dbForge Studio for Oracle Tutorials. In this video, you'll see how to download and install Oracle Database 19c on your Windows machine. You can get the Oracle Database Installer directly from the official website. Go to oracle.com, log into your Oracle account, proceed to the download page, and download the installer. The installer archive is rather large, so it may take time. You need to extract all the files in the same directory. The installation wizard opens. On the first page, select the preferred installation option. There are two of them. Create and configure a single instance database, set up software only. We select the first one and click Next. Here, choose the system class, desktop class with minimal configuration, or server class with more advanced configuration options. We select desktop class and click Next to continue. The next step is to specify the Windows user that will have access to the database. There are four options to choose from. Use existing Windows user, create new Windows user, use Windows built-in account, use virtual account. We select the simplest option, use virtual account, and click Next. Now it's time to configure the future database, specify the database file location, database edition, and character set. Next, provide the database name and enter the administrative password. Once done, click Next. Once you have configured the installation, the wizard will start the prerequisite check to make sure that the target environment meets the basic requirements. In case your system does not meet the requirements, an error message will be displayed. When the verification is over, review the installation summary and hit the Install button if everything looks good. As you can see, the installation starts. Oracle shows the installation progress and status. The installation is complete and the installer displays a successful message. Now go ahead and try to connect to the database. Let's try connecting to the server using SQL Plus. By executing a simple query, we can check if the server is running at all. Awesome! Our query has been successful. Now let's connect to the same database using dbForge Studio for Oracle, an all-in-one IDE for Oracle database development, management, and administration. Once connected, you can run a query against your database. We invite you to test drive dbForge Studio for Oracle and evaluate all of its cutting-edge features during a 30-day free trial. You'll find the download link in the description. That's it for today. Like if you've enjoyed the video, share your thoughts in the comments section below, and subscribe to our channel to get the latest database tutorials. Thank you for watching.